Hey, I'm Elizabeth Jackson. I'm the owner of Public Property. So, SMSF, rooming houses, it's an important program to us because you see within the SMSF funding, really just limited to apartments and townhouses. And we don't want that for our clients. So we've got a builder that is funding the land and the build and the construction. And the opportunity for you as a purchaser is actually to put down the 15% deposit, go unconditional, and wait for that property to be delivered to you. Now, here's the magic in this. Our tenancy management team are already on the ground. They already know what we're delivering. They've told us to build in that area. We've already considered a mitigated saturation. We're not putting you in a greenfield site with 100 other houses. In actual fact, the essence of what we're doing is we're mitigating that risk at the front end, not selling to you and jogging on at the back end. So you will be fully aware of who your tenancy management team are. They do have a requirement that the property is furnished, and if you want the guarantee, you can have it. The funny thing is, they said to us, and I have to agree with them, because they mitigate so much of the risk around the supply and the demand data, in actual fact, you don't need to take the guarantee. It's there if you want it. If this is something that would interest you and your family, particularly in the rooming house space, of course I'm here to help you. I'm Elizabeth Jackson. I'm the owner of Public Property. Just press the link below and I look forward to working with you.